Hey, do you remember the last time we tried to assemble that bookshelf together?
Yeah, that was a disaster. We couldn't figure out the instructions at all.
I know, right? I think we were both trying to do our own thing instead of following the steps.
Definitely. I've realized that following simple instructions is key to getting things done correctly.
Absolutely. It's all about taking it step by step and not skipping ahead.
Right. I think we should give it another try, but this time, let's really focus on following the instructions.
Good idea. Let's make sure we read each step carefully before moving on to the next one.
And if we don't understand something, we should ask for clarification instead of guessing.
That's a great point. It's better to ask questions and make sure we're on the right track.
Exactly. It's all about communication and working together to get the job done.
And if we make a mistake, we can always go back and correct it instead of just moving forward.
Right. It's important to be patient and not rush through things when following instructions.
I think we've got a good plan now. Let's give it another shot and see how we do this time.
Sounds good. I'm feeling more confident already. Let's tackle that bookshelf together.